I don't think I've ever told you this, but I got kissed by the most famous ladyboy in Bali.
Aku gak tahu pernah cerita ini ke kamu atau enggak, tapi aku pernah dicium sama bencong paling terkenal di Bali.
Let's hear it. Let's hear the story.
End of last year, I took the team on a company retreat. Just been off the beach, walk into one of these, like off the beach restaurants.
Right, yeah.
You just walk on.
Jadi, akhir tahun lalu aku ngajak timku liburan bareng. Kami baru aja dari pantai. Terus jalan ke salah satu restoran di pinggir pantai. Yang kamu tahu kan, restoran terbuka yang aksesnya langsung dari pinggir pantai.
See this woman, camera crew sort of following her, filming everything she's doing, like at least 4 or 5 people here.
Tiba-tiba aku ngeliat ada seorang perempuan dengan kameramen yang ngikutin dia, ngerekam semua yang dia lakuin. Kayak sekitar ada 4-5 orang di situ.
A few minutes later, she walks past and she's got this proper, like, Little Britain voice, sort of Bubbles DeVere giving it the proper, hello, darling.
Beberapa menit kemudian, dia lewat di depanku. Dan suaranya tuh kayak karakter dari Little Britain, bener-bener gaya Bubbles DeVere gitu. Sambil ngomong, hello, darling.
At me, it's like that, Jesus. Anyway, naturally, gotta give her a bit of chat back, see what's going on, what are these cameras for.
Ya ampun, tapi secara gak langsung aku bales dong, penasaran juga, lagi syuting apa nih?
Before I can think, right, she's sat like on top of me, leaning on me, holding my phone, she's following herself on Instagram.
Sebelum aku sempat mikir apa-apa, dia duduk di pangkuanku, bersender di bahu, dan ngambil HP-ku sambil buka Instagramnya sendiri.
Back up Instagram, TikTok, I'm like that, oh, are you at least gonna follow me back?
Dia scroll akun Instagramnya, TikToknya juga. Aku bengong dan bilang, ya minimal kamu follow aku balik dong.
And she starts standing up, she's going, I follow back, okay. Grabs my face. Between our two, like, big hands, pulls me right in. Big slobbery kiss on the cheek.
Dia mulai berdiri dan bilang, aku bakal follow balik ya. Terus, dia pegang pipiku pakai 2 tangan besarnya itu, narik mukaku, dan cium pipi aku.
But there's people at the table behind, like, clapping their hands and cheering. I'm like, what is going on?
Aku cuman bisa ngomong, ya Tuhan, ini luar biasa sekali. Tetapi orang-orang di meja belakang bertepuk tangan dan bersorak. Saya berpikir, apa yang sedang terjadi?
She's mega famous. And this camera crew, I've thought they're just filming behind the scenes or whatever. It's being live streamed to 50,000 people.
Dia sangat terkenal. Saya mengira kru kamera itu hanya merekam di belakang layar seperti behind the scene. Ternyata siaran langsung itu ditonton oleh 50.000 orang.
Bear in mind though, she's not actually following me back at this point. I'm just blending in our millions of followers.
Namun perlu diketahui, sampai saat itu dia belum kembali mengikuti saya. Saya baru saja bergabung di antara jutaan pengikutnya.
And within minutes, no, probably seconds, I'm getting DMs like, ha ha ha, Bunda Korla, random stuff in Indonesian that I have no idea, I don't understand, but it's just like blowing up. She's got this crazy cult following.
Dan dalam hitungan detik, bahkan menit, saya mulai menerima pesan langsung seperti, hahaha, Bunda Korla, dan hal-hal random dalam bahasa Indonesia yang sama sekali saya nggak ngerti. Dia memiliki penggemar yang sangat fanatik.
Mike, have we still got the video?
Yep.
Right, let's do something. I want to post it. Let's see how many views it's got by the time we finish recording.
Mike, apakah kita masih punya videonya?
Iya, masih.
Oke, mari kita lakukan sesuatu. Saya ingin mengunggahnya. Mari kita lihat berapa banyak penayangan yang didapat setelah rekaman ini selesai.
Even the chef, like as soon as we got back, the chef knew who she was. He was pissing himself laughing. It was him that told us she was a ladyboy.
Bahkan koki restoran pun tahu begitu kami kembali. Dia tertawa terbahak-bahak. Dialah yang memberitahu kami bahwa dia seorang waria.
So what's her name?
Bunda Korla.
And you've got the whole thing.
When she came over, one of the guys was like, just started filming it as well.
Nice.
Like, I still get comments to this day of just people like, Bunda Korla, Bunda Korla.
Aku punya semua rekamannya. Bahkan saat dia datang dan salah satu temannya juga mulai merekam. Sampai hari ini saya masih menerima komentar dari orang-orang yang berkata, Bunda Korla, Bunda Korla.
So I'm going to post this. I think
gonna
it'll
go
just
nuts.
go mental.
It's gonna go
Let's
nuts.
see. Right, send it over and we'll do it. Right, let's see. Okay, let's see if I can be an Indonesian celebrity.
Jadi saya akan mengunggah video ini. Saya pikir ini akan meledak, menjadi viral. Baiklah, kirimkan videonya dan mari kita lakukan. Mari kita lihat apakah saya bisa menjadi selebritas di Indonesia. Hahaha. Ayo.